Home sweet home. Time to relax. Going to the door. Today, I'll do everything all by myself. Let's go inside. I can't wait to rest in my comfy bed. My room looks like a toy tornado! Time for a cleanup adventure. Let's make this room 4D-tastically tidy. Oh no! My room is a total mess!
I can't sleep in here like this.
Okay, I can fix this. I'm a good habit hero. First of all, let's start with the bed. Super tidy mode. Pull the blanket nice and smooth.
Pillow, you stay right here.
Oh, so many books on the floor. Oh, so many books on the floor. Books live here.
Okay, toys, it's home time for you too.
Hey, not on my head.
There, all toys safe and cozy.
Yay! Jump time!
Oh, wow, my room looks awesome.
Oh, so close the window. Good night outside.
Let me check my bedtime list. Bed, check. Toys, check. Books, check. Window, check.
Okay, everything is ready for sleep. Lamp on. Now it feels extra cozy.
Just one little story before sleeping.
I love this story.
Big stretch. My body is sleepy now.
Oh, the light! That? Can't sleep with that on. Good night, room. Sweet dreams, Gizmo Kitty.